Beauty Bulletiners, Dav Scotchlass here, and today we're going to talk about this little beauty, Avon's Ideal Flawless CC Cream, which is a colour corrector cream. I am a huge Avon fan, and every month their catalogue is chock-a-block full of awesome products and great specials, and there's always something for everyone, not just beauty products but fragrances and accessories and all sorts of awesome goodies. And I must say, I love the little app that they have. It makes it so easy to go and buy your products every month. So go and download the app before I talk about the CC cream. Go on, go download it. I'll wait for you. I've purposely not looked at other product reviews on Beauty Bulletin purely because I want this review to be completely authentic and have no influence from any other reviewers on the bulletin. Now, I've tried the BB cream, I've tried the Avon one, I've tried the Garnier one, and I've tried the Pond's one, and I like all three of them. I did find the Pond's one to be a little bit dry. However, we're not here to talk about the BB creams. We're talking about CC cream. Now, CC cream, the difference between BB cream and CC cream is that this little baby, it actually promises to protect, correct, and perfect. The correct improves the look of, like dull, uneven skin tone, whereas the protect contains an SPF of 50. Now that's really high for a CC cream or even a BB cream. I must admit that creams that have a really high SPF factor usually burn the shit out of my eyes. Sorry, burn the hell out of my eyes, and the odour is just completely overpowering. I did find that this cream didn't have that odour. This had no effect on my eyes and nose whatsoever. It also perfects the skin, so it fades all the pigmentation. I haven't had this product long enough to see the results. I only got it day before yesterday, so I'll continue using it, but it did cover my dark circles and took away my redness, so I'm actually quite happy. So let's take a look at what it looks like. It's a very thick cream. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I went with the shell colour because I've got a very pale skin, and you can see here that it's very thick, and so you don't really have to use too much of it. Now I'm wearing it now, and I'm going to post some before and after photos so that you can see the effect. Because it's such a thick cream, I expected the coverage to be a little bit more than the average BB cream, and it was actually the complete opposite. I had to reapply the CC cream and make sure I blended it in with a brush because it tended to be a bit streaky on my skin. Look, it's a great holiday product, perfect for the beach if you want light coverage on the beach. Because of its high SPF factor. The price of the CC cream is usually $159.95, which I think is a little bit overpriced for a 30ml bottle of CC cream. However, Avon in brochure 7 is selling it for only $84.95. That's a saving of 75 bucks. So it's worth giving it a go for the special to try it. Who knows? You might love it. All in all, a great product for the beach. So pack your bag, put on your sunnies, and head on over to the beach. Sand, sea, surf, and your little bottle of Avon CC cream. So grab your cell phone, download the app, and go shopping. You actually can't afford to miss this deal. Go get your CC cream. Cheers for now, beauties. Bye.